Save on costs and streamline job scheduling in the through expert HVAC/plumbing outsourced dispatching services. Hiring an outside team for dispatching can really make HVAC/plumbing scheduling more efficient. This team can sort through requests, arrange jobs by importance and who's available, and schedule visits without a hitch. Hiring external dispatchers allows companies to utilize specialized knowledge and advanced tools, optimizing technician assignments and improving operational efficiency significantly. Outsourced dispatch teams enhance customer satisfaction by ensuring prompt service response, fostering trust and loyalty through efficient communication and quick resolution of service requests. By handling increased workload during peak times, outsourced dispatchers enable businesses to scale without the added stress of recruiting and training more staff, maintaining service quality. Outsourced dispatch services incorporate cutting-edge technology that simplifies scheduling and route planning, improving real-time communication between technicians and customers, and reducing operational stress. Effective outsourced dispatching sorts job requests by priority and availability, streamlines technician scheduling, and utilizes smart software, enhancing overall service efficiency and customer response times. Comprehensive communication facilitated by outsourced dispatchers improves collaboration between technicians and customers, ensuring clarity and consistency in service updates and scheduling. Before outsourcing, HVAC/plumbing companies should document their processes thoroughly to ensure seamless integration of external dispatchers, maintaining service standards and operational continuity. Assessing proficiency in popular dispatch software like Jobber, ServiceTitan, or Zuper is crucial when selecting an outsourcing partner to ensure compatibility and streamline operations within existing business frameworks.